In this video, I will share with you top 5 best blenders in 2024, sharing my experience with each to help you find your perfect match. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. This blender is the Usain Bolt of the bunch, boasting a whopping 2.2 horsepower motor and a sleek, intuitive touchscreen interface. My experience, it pulverized anything I threw at it, from frozen fruits to nuts, with a fibrous hitch. The smart features, like self-cleaning and automatic adjustments based on container size, are impressive but might feel like overkill for some. The hefty price tag is another hurdle, but if you're a tech-loving foodie who demands the ultimate blending power, this is your champion. Number 2. NutriBullet Blender Combo. This space-saving duo combines a personal blender and a food processor, making it ideal for small kitchens or single-serve blending. I loved its portability and ease of use. Chopping vegetables, making dips, and whipping up smoothies were a breeze. However, its power limitations become apparent with tougher ingredients like nuts or ice. If you prioritize convenience and portion control, this is a strong contender. But for heavy-duty blending, look elsewhere. Number 3. Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. This blender lives up to its name, boasting 11 speeds and a pulse function that lets you control the texture with precision. My experience, it excelled at creating smooth smoothies and sauces, and its large 64-ounce BPA-free jug is perfect for family-sized portions. However, the plastic construction feels less sturdy compared to some competitors, and the lack of pre-programmed settings might deter those who prefer a hands-off approach. Overall, a solid choice for speed enthusiasts and those who value large capacity. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. This blender oozes elegance with its brushed stainless steel design and professional-grade build. The 2-horsepower motor tackled any blending challenge I threw its way, from frozen fruit cocktails to nut butter. The intuitive controls and pre-programmed settings make it user-friendly, while the self-cleaning function adds a touch of luxury. However, the price tag is as hefty as its build, and the large footprint might not suit smaller kitchens. If you prioritize performance, aesthetics, and convenience, this blender is a statement piece for your kitchen. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. This blender is a reliable workhorse, offering solid performance and a classic design that complements any kitchen. The 1.5 horsepower motor handled most tasks well, although it struggled slightly with thicker ingredients like nuts. The simple controls and 3 pre-programmed settings cater to both beginners and experienced users. This blender won't win innovation awards, but its affordability, durability, and brand trust make it a safe bet for those seeking a no-frills, reliable blending experience.